Ende zvakao makanyika kedu kanonakidza. Hi Chit fam, welcome back to another episode with Ash. So guys, today I've come with another interesting story, guys. Another interesting story about VaTinashe Mugabe, the DNA showman. Is showing us some moves. So lately he has been trending with these dance moves, guys. Aiwa vatamba zvinomwisa mvura, vatamba zvinodadisa baba bota, as you can see guys on this video. But guys, let's just smash that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up as a token of appreciation, and make sure you guys turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out anything that I'm going to post here, guys, because you know what, I'm going to post here every day, every time. Any juicy video, any trending video, any exciting news, I always post here, guys. Okay, and to our new subscribers, welcome guys to the family. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much, I really do appreciate you. And to our retaining subscribers, thank you so much guys. Thank you. I also appreciate you as well. And also guys, please comment down below if you love this man. How about the moves? In the comment section was like, the probability of dancing here is 0%. Auntie Baba, I'm not changing my dancing. That was so funny. Honestly, that was so funny. But you know what, I love this man because you know it's so traumatized and so stressful. So sometimes you just need to chill out, you just need to be you just need to enjoy music. Sometimes music is just a good therapy. And look at this dances, guys. We wish kutoti baba VaTinashe Mugabe vatombo wanna even cancel or some sort of someone to talk to after all those DNA shows, because some of them, they are so violent, and you just need to keep a straight face. So considering Kuti, someone who always keeps a straight face and now is dancing like that, you know, it's so crazy. Honestly, it's so crazy, but I love it. That's the other side of him, which is good, guys, which is good. Yeah, sometimes you just need to do this, you know, for your mental health and stuff like that. Yes, but and Ufunge VaTinashe is so calm, chill, elegant, and look at the husband. When he's doing his things, you be like that, but now he's showing us the other side of him, which is good. The other side is not bad. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, guys. I love you. Bye.